I gave you all my time. Now I'm left with shadows and memories of mine. I tell myself to move on, I tell myself to be strong, but